Hello students, today we are going to study linear equations. This topic is very important from examination point of view for all the classes 6 to 12 as well as for competitive exams like TT, CTET, or you can say for IAS and PCS also, or in banking also. Linear equation is a very important topic and I will deal with this topic. Linear equation, first of all, you must know what is a linear equation. A linear equation is of the form ax plus by is equal to c, where a, b, c are real numbers. What is real number? Any number is a real number. You can say 0, 1, 2, 3, -10. Means you can say any number which you know is a real number. So a, b, c are real numbers. So ax plus by is equal to c is a linear equation in two variables x and y. So what is a linear equation? Linear equation is equation of the form ax plus by is equal to c, where a, b and c are real numbers. X and y are two variables. Children, you must know what is a variable. Variable means whose value can be varied. For example, if I say x, in x if I put x is equal to 1, then its value will become 1. If I put here x is equal to 2, then its value will become 2. If I put x is equal to 100, then its value become 100. So, x is a variable. Its value varies. So, now coming to the graph of a linear equation ax plus by is equal to c is a straight line. This you have to keep in mind that the graph for ax plus by is equal to c is a straight line. Now suppose question is given, draw the graph of 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. For this what you do? Suppose it is 3x plus 2y is equal to, so for what is y from here? 2y is equal to 11 minus 3x. So y is equal to 11 minus 3x upon 2. 2 come down. So y is equal to 11 minus 3x upon 2. Now what you do? You put values of x. You take 3 values. Then your graph will become okay. You can put x is equal to 0, 1, 2, -1, -2. Any value you can put. So suppose you put x is equal to 1, then what happens? Y is equal to x 11 minus 3 x. X is equal to 1. So 3 into 1 upon 2. So y is equal to 11. 3 into 1 is 3 ones are 3. So 11 minus 3, 8 upon 2. So what comes? 4. So when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 4. Now if x is equal to 3, I am showing you. Suppose our equation was y is equal to 11 minus 3x upon 2. So when you put x equal 3, put x equal 3 in equation 1. So what happened? Y is equal to 11 minus 3. For x is equal to 3, 3 into 3 upon 2. So 11 minus 9, 3 3s are 9 upon 2. So 11 minus 9, 2 upon 2, it becomes 1. So for x is equal to 3, y is equal to 1. In this way you make a table. You can take one other value also. Now if you make a graph for this, then how you make? First you take a scale, okay? I am showing you like this only, a general idea. Afterwards I will show you by scale. I am telling you general idea. Okay, suppose this is an axis, this is x dash, y dash, this is O point, this is the origin, its coordinate are 0 0. Now if I want to plot a graph, so our table was like this, x and y, 1 4 3 1. Now what you do, you see what values are there for x. 1 3. Suppose negative is also there, so you plot graphs, you plot points like this. So 1 and 3 are in x-axis. So what you do with scale, suppose this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, sorry, this is 4. Now values of y, this is the positive x-axis and this is the negative x-axis. This is the positive y-axis and this is the negative y-axis. So x is equal to 1, y is equal to 4. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 4. These points should be equidistant. Okay, 1 2 3 4, like this. You can write point here also, -1 -2 -3, like one here, -1 -2 -3, like so on. So now x is equal to 1 in x direction, how much? 1, and y is equal to 4. See here, y is equal to 4. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 4. This is the first point. X is equal to 3, y is equal to 1. So like this, like this, you make dot, then you like this. One point is also necessary. Suppose I say x is equal to 1 or 3 0. Suppose x is equal to 0. Then what is the value of y? Y is equal to 11 minus 3. X is equal to 0. 3 into 0 upon 2. So y is equal to 11 minus 0 upon 2. So 0, nothing matter. 11 upon 2, 5.5. Okay, you can see here 11 divided by 2. 2 5s are 10. 1 decimal 0, 2 5s are 10. 5.5. So when x equals 0, you can make one more. Then y is equal to 5.5. So when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 5.5. So this is 5 and this is 6. If I move, strengthen it. So 5.5 is for half here, okay? Like this, near whatever which. So what? We make a graph like this. We extend it in both the direction. We extend it both the direction. So this is how a graph is made. I gave you a general idea for this, and in the next turn I would tell you by proper scale and everything. So this is how a straight line graph is made. Means for a linear equation, a graph is straight line. I want to only show you that for a linear equation, because our linear equation was 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. So I had only proved this, that for a linear equation a straight line graph is obtained. So we'll be continuing with our topic linear equation in the next turn.